All right, y'all, here we go. 2023 Flawless Football Hobby, one box number 17, left side serial numbers. Let's randomize and let's rip. Good luck. Two and five, 7 times on our random. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Craig M down to Brandon J. And the number 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 14 down to 21.
Yeah, Michael. 2 case or 2 box cases.
Craig M 14, Sinvicta 20, Nick S 11, Stephen S 25, Brian B 13, William R 2, Jordan F 19, Aaron R 8, Dennis T 9, MOD 22, James D 4, Yu Shin with 17, Robert B 10, Fu has 3, Kenny D 6, Tobias 23, Robert G 15, 24, Dan M 18, Ross N 16, Kyle C 1, Johnny W 5, Kevin L 7, Alexandros 12, Brandon J 21. All right, y'all, let's do this. I'll call out who's getting what as we go along. Links in chat if you need to find the results anytime, LaytonSportsCards.com on the results quickly at the bottom of the website. All right.
Yeah, I'm alive. I toke.
He is focused.
Making sure I'm not messing up these sheets while
He is printing sheets.
freaking. Because usually it'll get worse over the amount of time. Like I'll lose focus.
8.5 hours live. Holy crap. I'm tired, man.
That's why I don't want to mess up the. You get it.
All right, patch card number 1 of 15 is Sean Alexander. 1 spot, Kyle C. Rookie jumbo patch, Marvin Mims, 9 of 15. Dennis T with the 9 spot. This is a patch auto. Eddie George, 7 of 15. That's cool. Eddie George, 7 spot, Kevin L. 3-color patch auto on the Eddie. This is a cool one, man. That is 3-time champion signatures, Ty Law, 10 of 20. Robert B, Ty Law. 10 spot right there for you, sir. Robert B. Clean looking card. Man, get some early 2000s Pat's Dynasty hits right here. Patch auto, Mike Vrabel, 7 of 10. 7 spot again, Kevin L. Vrabel maybe coaching again soon. Probably get hired this offseason.
Why was he not before?
Just waited too late. I don't know. Everyone else got hired up. And then like no one else needed a coach. Well, team probably should have taken him over their current coach, but you know. Patch auto, DeMarcus Ware, 18 of 20. Dan M with the 18 spot. What's up? Nice DeMarcus Ware hit there. All-Pro Inc., 15 of 25. Jonathan Taylor. Robert G, 15 spot. Agreed on that, Toke. Hall of Fame auto, Troy Polamalu, 17 of 25. Yu Shin with a 17 spot. Polamalu on the Hall of Fame inductee photo there. That's awesome, man. Dude was one of a kind. Okay. Ruby gem numbered 20 of 20, Tyler Lockett for the Seahawks. Or he's a Seahawk, but it goes to 20 spot, goes to Sinvicta. Lockett Ruby. Could put a Ruby in a Lockett. You got Saquon Barkley on the Sapphire, 9 out of 15. Dennis T on the 9 spot. And Star Swatch signatures, 4 of 6. Aaron Rodgers.
Nice, dude.
James D with the 4 spot. And that is Packers Aaron Rodgers. That's what the folks want to see right there is Packers Aaron Rodgers.
I know.
Hey, great hit for the 4 spot there. Congrats, James D. Thanks again, everybody. We are moving on to the last break of 2024.